momentous occasion with their heartfelt performance and their tribute to their parents. Now, to express our collective gratitude and commitment, we would like to request our students to stand once again, as well as we will have the privilege of reciting the Pledge of Loyalty by Adia Liam Ramos, grade 6C, with honors.
Please raise your right hand. Pledge of Loyalty. We, the graduates of the academic year 2024 to 2025 of Far Eastern Private School Branch, do hereby pledge our loyalty and dedication to our dear alma mater. We promise to uphold the knowledge and virtues inculcated in us, persevere our goals in life to the fullest of our ability, in accordance with the mission and vision of Far Eastern Private School Branch. Thus, we will achieve excellence and competence for the glory of our family, our alma mater, country, and the world. So help us God. Thank you. You may put your hand down.
Thank you, Adia, for the heartfelt pledge of loyalty. Your words reflect the values and pride of a true graduate, and we deeply appreciate your sincerity. As a heartwarming melody of the tribute song fades, we are left with a profound sense of accomplishment and gratitude. The journey of our graduates and movers wouldn't have been possible without the dedication and guidance of our esteemed faculty and staff. Now, we have the honor of hearing from Mr. Ronel O. Jimenez, one of our school vice principals, who will deliver his closing remarks. A round of applause.
To our respected managing directors and owners of Far Eastern Private School, FEPS Branch, the New Filipino Private School, and the Universal Philippine School, the ever-supportive and generous Madam Maria Teresa Salas Alansari and Sir Ahmed Alansari, and the rest of the Alansari family, fellow administrators, teachers, school staff, parents, guests, movers and graduates, good afternoon. To you bright stars and joyful learners, movers and graduates, today is your big day, B-I-G. Everyone in this hall, especially your parents, is beaming with pride as we celebrate your achievements in completing kindergarten and 6th grade. You have all done incredibly well. So kids, why don't you give your hands your well-deserved applause? Give yourselves your well-deserved applause. Thank you. To us